Well, new at 4, our own country superstar is helping out those in Middle Tennessee now who were affected by all that flooding we had recently. Dolly Parton is donating a portion of ticket sales from Dollywood and her many dinner shows to the United Way of Humphreys County. The benefit will be from October 2nd until the 3rd. It all started with her power duo friendship with country music legend Loretta Lynn. Lynn, as you may know, is from Humphreys County. After the 2016 wildfires here, Lynn gave a helping hand to Sevier County. Dolly says the benefit is the least she can do for Loretta's people.